TSMC will begin manufacturing 3nm chips for Apple by the end of 2022, according to a report published this week by Taiwan's Trade Times. A separate report from the publication claims that TSMC will begin mass production of 3nm chips in September. The report cites industry insiders who claim that the M2 Pro chip could be the first to use TSMC's advanced 3nm process. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman previously stated that Apple plans to use the M2 Pro chip in the upcoming 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models and a high-end Mac Mini, which could be announced later this year. Apple's A17 Bionic chip for next year's iPhone 15 Pro models, and the M3 chip, suitable for future 13-inch MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models, will also be manufactured using TSMC's 3nm process, according to Commercial Times. DG Times has also previously announced that TSMC will begin mass production of 3nm chips for Apple in the second half of 2022, including the M2 Pro chip. Apple products moving from TSMC's 5nm to 3nm process will naturally bring faster performance and improved power efficiency to future Macs and iPhones, which can help extend battery life. Apple has almost completed its 2-year transition away from Intel processors on Macs, leaving only the high-end Mac Mini and Mac Pro lines to switch to Apple's silicon chips. To make sure that you don't miss out any top update and stories in the tech world, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Also leave a comment for us so we will know what you think about this.